In the pursuit of success, we often find ourselves hindered by our past failures, limiting beliefs, and obstacles that seem insurmountable. However, the power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 offers a guide to unlocking our true potential and embarking on a journey towards success. By embracing a new mindset, persevering towards our goals, overcoming obstacles, letting go of the past, and unleashing our inherent greatness, we can create a path to success that is both fulfilling and transformative. The power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14, a path to success. Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 holds a transformative power that can guide us towards success. The passage encourages us to forget what is behind and strain toward what is ahead, reminding us to focus on the future rather than dwelling on past failures or missed opportunities. By embracing this mindset, we can break free from the chains of the past and open ourselves up to the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Embracing a new mindset, moving beyond past failures. One of the keys to unlocking the power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 is adopting a new mindset. It requires us to let go of the baggage of past failures and disappointments, and instead, embrace a mindset of growth and learning. By reframing our failures as valuable lessons and opportunities for growth, we can move beyond the limitations of our past and set ourselves on a path towards success. Pressing on towards the goal, a journey of perseverance. Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 emphasizes the importance of perseverance in achieving success. It urges us to press on towards the goal, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. Success is rarely a straight path, but rather a journey that requires determination, resilience, and unwavering commitment. By continually pushing forward and refusing to give up, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our aspirations. Overcoming obstacles, unlocking the key to success. Obstacles are an inevitable part of any journey towards success. However, Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 teaches us that overcoming these obstacles is the key to unlocking our full potential. It reminds us that our past failures or current challenges do not define us, but rather serve as opportunities for growth and development. By adopting a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness, we can find creative solutions, navigate through obstacles, and ultimately pave the way to success. Letting go of the past, finding freedom in Philippians. The power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 lies in its ability to free us from the burdens of the past. It urges us to let go of regrets, mistakes, and missed opportunities, and instead focus on building a brighter future. By releasing ourselves from the shackles of the past, we create space for personal growth, self-discovery, and the pursuit of our true calling. Only by embracing this freedom can we fully unlock our potential and achieve the success we desire. Achieving greatness, unleashing the potential within. Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 encourages us to strive for greatness and unleash the potential that lies within each of us. It reminds us that we are capable of far more than we may believe, and that success is not limited by external circumstances or past failures. To achieve greatness, we must tap into our unique strengths, cultivate a growth mindset, and take bold and intentional steps towards our goals. By doing so, we can unlock the power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 and embark on a transformative journey towards success. The power of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 offers a roadmap for success that transcends the limitations of our past failures and present challenges. By embracing a new mindset, persevering towards our goals, overcoming obstacles, letting go of the past, and unleashing our inherent greatness, we can unlock our true potential and embark on a journey towards success that is both fulfilling and transformative. Let us remember the wisdom of Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14 as we navigate the path to success, knowing that we have the power within us to overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Like and subscribe for more content or visit our channel. Thank you.